Good evening all, this is Brahmo. Today our discussion topic is structure of the atom. While seeing the name atom, we know very well that atom is a basic structural unit of any material. Without atom, we can't do anything. Without atom, the material construction is not possible. Material construction is not possible. The scientist named Dalton, D-A-L-T-O-N, Dalton. He explained a theory named as a Dalton theory. According to that theory, any material or any atom cannot be destructive. Any material, any atom cannot be divided. But later, after some research work, two fundamental particles named as electron and proton was discovered. Electron and proton was discovered. After discovering these two particles, this Dalton theory in a position of failure. So now the scientists have a lot of work how these particles are in an atom and how these particles are arranging like this. So after that many scientists came to the limelight like Bohr, Rutherford, and Thomson. These three scientists came into the limelight, explained about the structure of the atom. In that, J.J. Thomson explained a theory named as J.J. Thomson theory. In that theory, he considered a watermelon. All we know very well that in watermelon we can find two colors. One is red color and another one is black. Complete red color is like a positive material, and this black color dots indicates the seeds in a watermelon. He said that the seeds are like a negative particles. That means if only the positive charge is negative charge is equal to negative charge, then only the atom will be in a state of neutral. Right? In a state of neutral. While coming to the Rutherford, he said that he assumed a nucleus. Around that nucleus, he can find some orbits or some shells. In the shells, a few electrons are revolving in this like this. But this Rutherford theory was completely failed because due to some drawbacks. He said that electron in the orbit is completely accelerating. After some time, deaccelerate the electron and this electron will be fall into the nucleus. If that electron fall into the nucleus, the atom will collapse. If the atom will collapse, no world is possible, no material is possible. So this is the major drawback of Rutherford. Then after Bohr come to the limelight and he explained that there is a neutral charge which is at the center, and around that some orbitals or some shells will be present which is like this, and these shells are named as K, L, M and so on. K, L, M and so on. If we want to give a numbering, we need to give numbering like this: n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, so on. Right? After seeing this discussion, we have a small doubt: what is electron, what is neutron, what is positron, whether proton or proton. What is electron, what is neutron, what is proton? Electron is a negative charge particle. And it is having a charge of about 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. While coming to this mass of the electron is 1.9 into 10 power minus 31 kg. And this electron is a purely negative charge particle, and this electron will be revolving around the nucleus only. In its own path, and that path is named as a shell or orbit or orbital. Based on the language, based on the need, we may call anyone. right? While coming to the neutron, the name itself indicates that it is a neutral charge. Neutral charge means it won't be a positive, it won't be a negative. It won't be a positive, it won't be a negative, but it is having a mass which is almost equal to the mass of the proton, which is almost equal to the proton. Its mass is about 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Right? Next, proton. Proton is a positive charged fundamental particle. Proton is a positive charged fundamental particle. It is having a charge as well as mass. Charge as well as mass. The charge is almost equal to the electron. Charge is almost equal to the electron. That means this 1.02 into 10 power minus 19 is a negative charge, while this proton charge is plus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, and this neutron proton mass is 1.607 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Right? Thank you.